ain't said no shit like that. I said a Illuminati. I ain't said no Illuminati.
He was Illuminati,
I ain't with no motherfucking Illuminati, dog.
You shoot me.
All entertainers and inspiring entertainers are with the new Illuminati unless they my people.
I thought Pop was with Machiavelli.
I'm with niggas that kill niggas. Niggas that was Illuminati though. Bad people.
I pour red some orange juice.
So you telling me trash, if you say Illuminati, they'll be like, oh, that's
Like, ooh, rainbow.
not because
the Illuminati is the secret society of the fucking faggots of the fags.
Who brought that out though? That's been out, man.
Jay-Z faggot ass.
I don't even want to be rich, you know what I'm saying? I just want to be comfortable enough to take care of my family and make people like that around me. I don't want to move out the hood. I just want to turn the hood into paradise.
I was watching something.
That's what motherfuckers got like fucked up at. They get their little bitch ass money, then they leave the hood instead of staying where the fuck they from and then making that better. Because when they knock their ass down and they lose their money, they gotta come right back to this drug guy. Fuck niggas that get money and leave their hood. I don't give a fuck who it is. And they went fuck stay there, nigga. I give it deference to niggas that be in projects. What the fuck you gonna do in a big ass project building? Yeah, you wanna move out that motherfucker. But if you don't stay in no motherfucking project, you got a hood, you got houses in your hood, and you fuck moving out the hood,
He say, fuck one of his dudes that played football before he got to play football. He was trying to be a
Red, take that belt or whatever the fuck that is. Girdle. Is that mine, motherfucker?
You finna work out, my nigga.
He got the port, right?
Ah, nah, that ain't mine.
Every last word you say.
Once he got the port, dude went up in the room and said that he put everybody out there. He was like, you know, you got fuck people that's port.
What the fuck?
And say, black dude.
You talking about Will Smith?
Black dude got up and said, man, fuck y'all, I'm out this motherfucker.
Will Smith got up and said, I'll do it.
There's some movies Will Smith was like, I want to fuck you. On that white dude.
Fucking white dude. They said that ain't on the little DVD. And he was like, the white dude was like, I don't get down like that. And Will was like, that makes this more better.
Yeah.
Fucking fruity fuck. You know what? Now you straight watch Fresh Prince of Bel-Air. I believe Uncle Phil was Uncle fucking the shit out of Will Smith.
I thought the
Don't you think Uncle Phil? That's why they used to argue all the time.
I thought the one dude was James the
The
butler.
brother was fucking the wife, and the uncle was fucking Will Smith. Don't none of you kids say what the fuck I said. So bad motherfucker.